What's up everyone? In this video we're going to look at setting up a project template so that we don't have to go through the rigmarole of setting up the references, the startup program, etc. every time we want to write a plugin. The good news is that our friend Jeremy Tammik, who runs the Building Coder blog, has already set up a template for us, so we've got a good starting point. We're going to start with the 2018 version, download the source code, and just extract this. There's an install batch, but I don't want to copy the VB stuff, so I'm just going to grab the C# one. Just grab that, copy. It goes into your documents, Visual Studio, templates, project templates, and C#. Okay, paste it in here. And I'm just going to rename this Revit 2018. Okay, back into Visual Studio. We're just going to have a look at what we get out of the box before we customize for our purposes. So we've got new project. Make sure we're in C# here, and you can see there's the new Revit add-in there. So, okay. Once it starts up, you'll notice a few things. So we've already got Revit API references added. We've already got the Revit add-in set up, and we've got an app and a command. So out of the box you can see that Jeremy set it up so you've got both an external application plugin and an external command plugin, and both of those are set up in the add-in manifest. So we can leave that as it is, and then every time we just remove the bits that we don't want, or we can customize this and make a couple of copies so that if we want to do a command, we just run the command one. If we want an app, we run the app one, etc. What you'll also notice is obviously Jeremy's added his vendor ID and contact details, so we can customize that to put our own details in there. The command comes in with a few, I suppose, useful things. We don't always obviously need a filtered element collector or that kind of thing, but most of the time we will, so it's probably a good idea to leave that in there. It's got some useful namespaces, so that's all good. Same for the app, it's just got the boilerplate code there. That's about it. So we've got properties. You can see that in the debug, you've already got the Revit application set as the external program. So everything's set up, ready to go. We could just hit F5 straight away and it'll run, no problem. But let's customize this to suit our own purposes. So we go back to the templates and let's have a look. So I think we're going to leave those as they are. Let's edit this add-in manifest. So the convention for vendor ID is to use your website but in reverse order. So I don't really have a website, but I've got a blogspot channel. So I'm going to do this, but I'll just leave the AU off. It's a bit too extensive then. So com.blogspot.crispcad. It's all good. Let's get rid of that. Oops, too much. Okay. And here's, as I said before, this is where you put your contact details. So I'm just going to say Christian. Okay, we want that for both. Cool. Alright, so you can see, we'll just leave this for now, that's fine. Because that will have to be customised for each plugin. So save that, close that. We can add a new template icon if we want, but that's fine. Don't think there's anything else to change. Got a startup program. DLLs, add in. Yep. Right, all good. This one. Oh, yeah. So here we go, say assembly company, Cruise CAD. That's fine. Gonna change this. Obviously you put your own details in here. And the rest is fine. Save, close. So now when we go File, New Project, oops. Pick this, start. Should see, hopefully, we've now got our customized details here. If we look at the properties of the plugin, what am I looking for? Build. Nope. Sorry. If we look in the properties of the plugin and assembly information, we can see the extra information that we've added here as well. And that's it. There isn't really much to it. It's very, very simple setup. So now, next time we write a plugin, all we have to do, say new project, pick our plugin, and we're set. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.